Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to close all tabs at once in Google Chrome application. Alright guys, first of all, I'm going to open my Google Chrome application, and this is my Google Chrome. I'm going to click on it and we can go to the tab section. Click on this tab icon, and if we want to delete this tab, we don't need to do it one by one because it needs a longer time if we have to delete it one by one like this. So I'm going to show you how we can easily close all those tabs at once. So we can go to we can click on these three dots and click on close all tabs. Okay, and you will get this question and you just need to click on close all tabs. Okay, and as you can see that all the tabs have been closed. Alright guys, and that's how we can close all tabs at once in Google Chrome application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.